As we've mentioned in previous threads, Global Database is the one-stop shop for sales, marketing, and due diligence professionals, delivering every tool you need to rule your workdays. Whether you're willing to find new customers, verify and monitor your suppliers, or enrich and automate your onboarding process, Global Database covers everything. In this thread, we'll explore the prospecting module of our platform, a business directory built for any professional needs. Think of it as Google for corporate data, without any sponsored ads. The prospecting module allows you to narrow down your research or prospecting via cross-filtering. There are over 80 data points to narrow down your criteria, grouped into company-focused edges, executive characteristics, industry focus, location, financials, year-over-year change, ownership, digital insights, and advanced filtering options. This thread will focus on each of them to deliver you an idea on how you can run various use cases by performing basic company searches, fast-tracking research tasks powered by our filtering options, or gathering and managing data via lists, export or merging options delivered by Global Database's prospecting means. Without any further ado, let's jump in and explore everything our prospecting module has to offer.